Imagine boosting your WooCommerce sales with a lightning-fast checkout experience. No page reloads, no abandoned carts, just a smooth, distraction-free process. That's exactly what the WooCommerce Quick Checkout add-on is designed to deliver. This add-on brings an AJAX-powered checkout pop-up that appears instantly when a customer clicks Add to Cart, keeping them on the shop page and engaged. You can choose between a centered pop-up or a side cart layout, customize which fields to show, and even enable direct checkout right from the pop-up itself. With options to hide fields like coupons, order notes, privacy policies, and terms, you control how simplified or detailed the experience should be. Want even more? Show product images, quantities, shipping info, and even cross-sells, all within the cart pop-up. It's designed to reduce clicks, speed up purchases, and increase conversions. Whether you sell physical products, digital downloads, or anything in between, the WooCommerce Quick Checkout add-on makes shopping faster and more convenient. Start using it today and turn browsers into buyers with fewer steps.